What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best pizza ovens in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If your goal is to save a bit of money and still get a solid product that checks all the key boxes, we say check out the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven, the best budget pizza oven that can be found on the market in 2021. You will enjoy pizza in just 60 seconds of heating, as this oven will reach an incredible 860 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and then cook a delicious pizza in 60 to 90 seconds. The high heat saves you time and makes the food better. Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven boasts both portability and easy assembly. Installation takes a matter of minutes with 4 folding legs, so you can easily take your pizza oven when going on camping trips, cook outside, or enjoy the fun in your backyard with friends and family. In terms of construction, this product is made of high quality and durable stainless steel, specially designed for outdoor use, achieving a stable construction that is easily disassembled for storage, cleaning, and moving. Also, what the users especially like is the specific taste of the smoke that this oven provides. You can use wood pellets as fuel for this model, add an amazing aroma of hardwood smoke to everything you grill, be it sausages, steaks, fish, chicken, or anything else. It should be noted that users should not remove the pizza stone until it has cooled completely and is ready for cleaning. Otherwise, due to rapid temperature changes, cracking may occur. Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven comes in gray and has the size of 21 by 14 by 24 inches, while it weighs 27.8 pounds. Thanks to the design with folding legs, users will be able to go to the trunk and pack the oven whenever they want without any hassle. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product we'll talk about on today's rundown is the Ooni Fyra 12, also known as the best wood pizza oven that can be found on the market in 2021. With an improved design, more compact and lighter, the Ooni Fyra Pizza Oven offers you an enhanced experience for making delicious pizzas anywhere. It works exclusively with wood pellets, with a more comfortable and easier feeding system, and is also more efficient. Like all ovens of this brand, Fyra reaches 500 degrees Celsius in a few minutes. You just need to turn it on and wait between 10 to 15 minutes and start using it. Make delicious pizza in just 60 seconds no matter where you are. Its design is optimized, not only for precise cooking, but also for more convenient transport. Wow! The Ooni Fyra 12 comes with a set of foldable legs, and the chimneys can be disassembled and stored in the oven. Another aspect that changes with the Ooni Fyra is the length of its legs, which, with a height of 6.18 inches, when placed on the table, offers you the optimal height for comfortable cooking. The entrance height to the chamber is 33.4 inches, ideal for preparing pizzas as well as grilling meat, fish, and vegetables. The 0.39-inch corduroy stone is self-cleaning and requires no practical maintenance. This model comes ready to use. Just spread the legs, set up fireplaces, and light them. With a stainless steel housing, this pizza oven retains heat very well and has a specially designed fuel tank that allows maximum airflow. The device is easy to clean and is ideal for gardens of all sizes. It is light, has folding legs, and has a removable fireplace and pellet tank. Take it with you on vacation, to a friend's house, or simply leave it in your garden on the table. As the negative points of the Ooni Fyra, the only thing that can be pointed out is the thickness of the stone slab made of corduroy, which is slightly thinner than the thickness of similar models. In addition to this model works exclusively with pellets, does not have a gas adapter, nor is it compatible with charcoal or heating. Overall, good stuff. A thumbs up from here. If you're looking for the highest quality brick pizza oven, we say look no further than the Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven, the king of the brick domain on the 2021 market. Camp Italia Artisan Pizza Oven has a beautiful, almost aerodynamic domed plate on a solid, rectangular housing made of stainless steel. The wide, short rubber legs create a solid base and offer a solid profile. The design is inspired and reminiscent of a classic brick oven. Removable ventilated doors allow heat to flow into the oven. The regulator on the back of the oven allows users to screw in 1 pound of propane containers or a 5-foot hose to connect to a larger tank. The oven is not light, but is still portable, with a weight of 47 pounds. The 17,000 BTU system heats the oven very quickly and cooks a 12-inch pizza in about 3 minutes. We quite liked that the oven quickly warmed up to 650 degrees for about 20 minutes on a cold day and rose to 750 degrees 10 minutes later. Keeping the oven closed with the door in place helped keep the heat even. The pizza stone is made of the same material that is used in ceramic ovens and retains heat very well, creating a crispy, slightly charred crust after a little practice. The oven comes with a cooking guide that provides instructions on how to use the oven and several recipes to start with, including homemade dough, red and white sauces, and focaccia. Compared to making pizza in the kitchen oven, Camp Chef cooks faster and crispier, and the heating between pizzas does not take as long as a kitchen oven. Cleaning is very easy. Leave the oven on for about 15 minutes after cooking to burn the flour and cheese leftovers, then use a stainless steel scraper to pick up the charred leftovers. After about an hour, the stone was cold enough to be moved to the warehouse. In conclusion, Camp Chef Italia Artisan Pizza Oven is worth the price and wait for local chefs who like to make their own pizzas, especially for outdoor entertainment and for those who have strong muscles to carry it. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. If you aren't hesitant to spend a few extra dollars to get a top quality product, we say check out the Roccbox Gozney Portable Outdoor Pizza Oven, also known as the best premium pizza oven available on the market in 2021. These are small ovens for outdoor use, great for the garden, but also roofs or terraces. No complicated installation, just the best pizza taste you can imagine. The access to these ovens is as simple as their design is intelligent. We are looking at a device crafted exclusively for making pizza and other flatbreads that are directly connected to it, which allows its size to be minimized and concentrates heat to reach high temperatures with a relatively small burner. The base of the oven, made of stone, retains heat and bakes pizza from below as well. The oven is complemented by a silicone coating, which allows the surface of the oven not to burn on contact, a thermometer that shows the internal temperature at all times, and collapsible stainless steel legs, which look pretty sturdy. The oven comes with a shovel, necessary for handling pizzas. This pot is getting very hot. I like it. It can go up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit without too much work, or even 950 degrees Fahrenheit. This completely changes the landscape of the kitchen at home. Although you would usually have to rely on an oven grill for something like what restaurants have at your disposal, Gozney Roccbox actually gives you incredible cooking power. Here's the good news. There's no need to clean this device. They do not recommend cleaning at all. It is very hot, and everything that is left on the stone is cooked into oblivion. In addition, the burner needs to be free of leftover food, so if it gets dirty, you can use a can of compressed air to blow out leftover food near the back of the oven. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. And finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to the unanimous conclusion that Ooni Koda 12 is the best overall pizza oven that can be found on the market in 2021. With an attractive design, compact and lightweight, this model offers you an inner plate of refractory stone, a carbon steel body, and gas operation. Your time is precious to waste, so Ooni brings you his Koda pizza oven ready to use. There are no parts to assemble. Just plug in the gas, turn it on, and enjoy delicious pizzas in just 60 seconds guaranteed. Cooking outdoors on gas has never been so easy and fun, with two sizes to choose from, 13 or 16 inches. Ready to use, you just need to put the refractory stone inside, connect the gas, and start enjoying the pizza in a few seconds. The smart design offers you 3 support legs with a practical folding system, which facilitates its storage and use at all times. This model is not compatible with natural gas. However, you can use your Koda pizza oven with any type of propane gas tank, whether it's a large one used for the barbecue or a small one for camping. Note that a gas regulator and hose are included in the price. Your safety device will automatically cut off the gas supply in case the flame goes out. Ooni Koda is designed to offer you the best pizza cooking experience in the shortest possible time with ease of use and convenience. Similarly, with its instant ignition system, this stone oven will be ready to cook in just 15 minutes. Reaching a temperature of up to 930 degrees Fahrenheit to enjoy the best pizzas whenever and wherever you want. When it comes to location, Koda is designed for outdoor use and requires 3 feet of free space on all sides. Ooni also notes that it works best when it's protected from the wind. If you encounter any problems during the setup process or while cooking your first pizza, you can see the Ooni Basic Guide for troubleshooting tips. Ooni Koda 12 is not only useful for pizza. We prepare whole fish, steaks, lamb chops, pineapple, tomato, corn, sweet potatoes, beets, and other vegetables. Overall, this fella offers top-level features, an exceptional sonic output, as well as great looks, all at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? Well, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.